So now let's see how we can work around with making and using custom color presets inside of Filmora. So to work around with making a custom color preset first, what you have to do is you have to access the advanced color correction options. And to do that, I need to double click on the clip and you get this option right here. And then what you have to do is you have to click on the advanced button right here. And then you have the advanced color correction settings pop up. Then what you can do is you can go to adjust right here and then you make the changes that you want. You can view the previous lessons to see how we can do that. So you can change around the value and we can change around the colors according to what you want. So you can go around, change the contrast right here. You can change around the vibrance and so forth. So let's say this is the look I want and I want to save it as a preset. So I'm just going to click on save as preset right here and then I can give it a name. So let's say, for example, I'm just going to say tube vibrant and colorful. So I'm just going to type in this right here and I'm going to press OK. So once I do that, I'm going to press OK again and you can see that it gets applied right here. But let me just undo that out. So I'm going to go back and press OK to go back right here, bring in this footage as well. And if I want to apply that preset onto this footage, then I need to double click on this and I need to go on the advanced setting for this one. So let's just go ahead onto color, onto advanced right here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around onto all presets right here, go to custom so that I can see my custom presets right here. So I'm just going to choose vibrant right here and that is how it looks. As you can see, I can just press OK and that has been applied. And that is how you can make and use custom color presets inside of Filmora. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.